Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, January 31st, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, anybody who's been trading stocks very long really quickly comes to realize the stock market can be totally irrational and completely unpredictable. And today was a good example. You can look here what happened with the Dow. It opened quite a bit lower, and that scared the hell out of me. I thought, here we go again. And then it did come back and eventually closed officially negative 15. And I'm a little mystified this because on the chart this looks like a higher close than yesterday, and actually it was showing positive 9 points, but I looked, the official close says it's negative 15. It's a small point. Anyway, it doesn't look like a day that you would expect much to happen. Actually, a lot happened with us. We had, if you remember from the video yesterday, I think I had less than 20 bucks positive equity on the close, and it opened this morning positive $10,000, and then it just kept getting better from there, and we ended up closing out positive $15,000 plus some coin for the day. So positive $15,000 closed out. We got into 10 or 9 new positions. 5 were positive, 4 were negative, and we're carrying positive $6,000 going into tomorrow. So, add those together, that's $21,000 for the day so far. So that really is a great day, and it's a great day, a great way to end January. Really picked us up. January has been a little bit frustrating for me. We had over $100,000 in profits, I think 2 weeks into the month, and then we hit just a horrible streak there, and that took us down to 50,000 something. But then we started making money again, and then added what we made today, and we're finishing the month positive 75,000. So, that's a good month. Can't complain about that. And a good way to end January. By the way, if you're a customer of mine, I think I can get it out tonight. I'm sending out the new portfolio for February tonight sometime. I got it done, but it's a lot of Mickey Mouse I have to do to get it sent out to everybody. Okay, so I'll show you 3 of our good stocks today. This first one, this is Run, R-U-N. It's Sunrun Incorporated. I gotta assume that's solar energy, and we bought that today about the second hour, and it just kept going, and it closed absolutely on its high there, and we have over $2,000 in open trade equity in Sunrun Incorporated. Then this next one we've closed out. This is our old friend Labu, L-A-B-U, the biotech bull, and we bought that yesterday, the last 2 hours of the day. It closed profitably, and then it popped up there very nicely on the open for us, and we closed out over $5,000 in closed out trades in Labu, and that looks like a pretty good exit to me, judging from the look of the chart. And then the big surprise of the day was Twilio Incorporated. And we had bought that yesterday, again, with about 2 hours to go. Didn't do too much by the close, but it just screamed this morning. And screamed so hard, we stay into it. So we're still long Twilio Incorporated. Pulled back a little bit, but not very much. And we're holding $6,500 in Twilio. So that looks great. Anyway, really a fine day, a good way to end January. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Friday.